We all are looking for ways to get our body looking great. We have plenty of time to lose weight and shape up, but when it comes to our skin looking good, we're in a bit of a hurry. When summer is at the peak, it'll be warm enough to stop wearing tights and start showing some skin. Since we all want our skin to look radiant and glowing and super smooth, we thought it's just about time to show you some amazing DIY scrubs which you can make at home. These will not only exfoliate your body, but they smell delicious too. Number 1. Lemon Scrub. To make this scrub you only need sugar, olive oil, lemon, and honey. These 4 ingredients are best at exfoliating your skin and make it look smooth and moisturized. And did you know that lemon can naturally lighten your skin? This is a great scrub to use if your elbows and knees are looking a bit darker than the rest of your body. Number 2. Grapefruit Mint Sugar Scrub. This light and fragrant body scrub is great at exfoliating and moisturizing. The coconut in this scrub will make your skin soft, while grapefruit and mint will wake you up and make you smell fresh and delicious. It's a perfect body scrub to use in the morning when taking a shower. Number 3. Chocolate Sugar Scrub. This body scrub smells good enough to eat, and so will you after you use it. The ingredients used actually make it edible, but it smells way better than it tastes. So if you're a chocolate lover and want to smell like your favorite dessert, while also doing something good for your skin, we highly recommend this body scrub. Number 4. Violet Sugar Scrub Cubes. These might include a couple of ingredients you might not usually have around the house, but you have to agree that the result is worth it. The actual process of making these scrub cubes is easy, and you can make a lot at once and just keep them in the bathroom to always have them on hand. Number 5. Basil and Lime Body Scrub. If you're looking for a refreshing scrub, look no further. This basil and lime one hits all the spots, and you can't go wrong with this combo. Plus all the ingredients in this scrub are fresh, so you know it'll smell extra good, and you don't have to worry about allergic reactions